Hello everyone, Samuel from creativetrading.system.com. Making this video about Bitcoin. So let's get started. We are right now we are having FOMC. So the important thing about FOMC is that you look at that results after 2:30 when the press conference start to happen. All right, so and we have time until then. It's 2:07 right now, Wednesday, 2:07 p.m. So let's take a look at this chart. This is the chart I made on August 23rd, and it's a monthly chart of Bitcoin, right? And according to this Elliott wave calculation, is like one, two, three, and we're supposed to be dropping for wave four. So far, this chart has turned into this, right? So we have a nice big candle. This is a monthly chart, right? So one candle represents a whole 1 month. So after the whole month, what do we have? One more candle. That's it. So now the weekly chart was like this at that time, August 23rd. And currently the weekly chart is looking like this. So we have few, candles here, it dropped. And then now it is going to for a retracement for that drop, for that little drop. The daily chart also was like this, right? It dropped here and then bouncing from here and then, my take was like it's going to drop more. And then what happened? The daily chart so far now that it came down and broke below this and then it went going to the upside and obviously it's retracing around 61%. So I made the chart, the 40-minute chart, saying that, okay, this is the drop was this, and then bounce was this. So maybe this is wave one, and then we go into this area for wave two, followed by wave three, four, five to the downside. And this chart, and then after that, what happened is that this didn't go up there. In fact, that this was like wave one, two, and then three, four, five to the downside for wave one. And this is how it ended like this right now. So it came down here, and I made another chart for like this on the 10th that, okay, this is wave one, and now we're gonna go up for wave two. And right now you can see that we are here, 50%. It's supposed to be going into this area between 61 to 78, but sometimes price make the turn from 50% as well. So let's see what happened. FOMC is, currently happening right now, and gold is up and down and up and down and everything. So that's why I said, I'm not into that at all. After that, press conference, maybe around like 2:45 to 3, then I'll see that which thing is taking what direction. And then if I find my setup, then I'll get in. Otherwise, I like to stay away from, FOMC day or, NFP and all of that at the time of this happening. That's not a good idea. Anyway, so this is what the Bitcoin is doing. Wave one is going to be into this area somewhere and make the turn and to go to the downside. The idea is that we are going for into this area. So one, two, maybe three, and then four, and then five. Okay, so this is wave four underway, and that would be wave A of wave four, or maybe a wave four triangle, whatever we're gonna have. So we'll see what we're gonna have, right? So yeah, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get my videos on time as well as get all the updates, right? So after this, I'm gonna be making a gold video because gold is jumping all over the place right now after FOMC. Not after, but it's during the FOMC right now, right? So I'm looking at the computer that is crazy. Anyway, so this is it for now for Bitcoin, and just wait for my other video about gold, right? And then I'll make daily update actually for my subscribers, my paid subscribers. And if you want to get that video, then just go on my website and subscribe and all of that, right? And by the way, my affiliate button is on the website, and I want to clear one thing, but because I got a couple of email about that. So the commission is either 25 or 30%, right? On the regular price, by the way, on the regular price of each and everything that I have on my website. If I do a promotion and like send out email or anything like 50% discount, then the commission will also be 50% of the regular commission on those products. Anything at all. Like for example, one-on-one, if it's for 500, then if I do the promotion is like 400, then the commission will also be according to that. All right. So keep that in mind. So this is it for now, and hopefully I will get enough time to make the gold video It's 2 o'clock, right? The 2:12 actually. So maybe like 2:30, I will start making the gold video. Right. So this is it for now, and talk to you guys later.